show us where is your pain.
When I make this.
So when you make this movement,
so I get the pain. You know.
in this
yes,
area,
this area.
this mainly,
This,
okay,
yeah.
this area and here.
Yes, but more here.
More here
it's,
in the
it's
front.
like getting like warm. It's getting like warm. It's like it's very much pain.
Very much pain.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
then
It's
you
like
can rest.
Radiating.
Radiating
yeah,
pain
yeah,
here.
Yeah.
Okay, and for how long you have this problem?
Now I guess more than 2 months.
More than 2 months. Okay,
Yeah.
how did that happen?
I don't know. Maybe
Oh,
I
you-
lift something. I don't.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
So it was suddenly
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then is it tender when I push here?
No,
No.
not so much.
Not so
Little,
much.
no, no.
Okay. Here?
Not so much.
Not
towards.
so much. Okay, let me just do it. Okay, so I'm not going to explain for now, okay, but I will explain later. For now, I would like you just observe and you try to learn as much as possible from observation.
Yeah.
I've done that for 10 years, okay? I know how it feels. That's the Chinese way. So I'm putting 2 needles close to the pericardium, I would say 6.5 to in direction to pericardium 7. Okay, now I would like you please just no, don't test it. Just for now you just move. Yeah, gentle, very good. Wow, this is very good. Okay, now do the front movement. Okay, now you relax, just do nothing, and as gentle you move up, and you tell me where do you feel the pain.
Yeah.
Okay, right there.
Yes, it's less.
It seems to me you're
Yes,
lifting
yes.
much easier. Now relax again. Okay, relax. Very good. Now you lift again, gentle. Okay.
Little less.
Little less. How much less?
Okay, so it was 10. Then I guess now it's 7.
Okay, so 3 points less.
Yeah.
The remaining pain is where? Can you show me?
Still
Yeah.
same place.
It's a little bit more in
Yes.
the front.
Yeah.
Seems to me now it's a little
Yeah.
bit more here, right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Everybody see that it was more here and now here.
Move a little bit.
Okay, moved a little bit. Okay, so I'm kneeling now close to the lung 8 to 9. Okay, now same thing, you just gentle, you move your shoulder. Yeah, like you would do salsa dancing. Like here, very good. And now gentle, you move up. Okay, you don't push if there is pain, just, yeah. Okay, now you relax again. Yeah. Okay, very good. Now try to do like me in the front. Yeah. Okay, no pain doing this?
Oh, it's 1, 2.
Oh, okay, 1, 2. Okay, very
It's
good.
like this, yeah.
Very good. Now you do on the side. No, not completely in the back, just side.
Side, yeah.
Okay, any pain doing that?
No.
No pain? Very good. Now you can do a little bit more in the back. You do this movement. Now you have a little pain or no?
Little more.
Little more. Okay. Where is it? Somewhere here. Ah, even more?
Somewhere here.
Ah, now it's going down, right? Am I somewhere here?
No, a little up, little more.
Ah, here?
Yeah.
Somewhere here.
Yes.
What about the intensity of the pain comparing to before?
It's
I don't want you to look for it. I just want you to do the same movement.
I think it's about 4, maybe
4.
more, yeah.
Okay, so we got more than
Yeah,
50% already. A little bit remaining here. Okay. You feel that the pain is deep in your joint?
You know, my pain feeling is very high. You know,
Mm.
so I don't feel pain so
Yeah,
easy.
yeah,
So
you're very
that's why.
resistant to.
Yes.
Okay. Now, same thing, you relax your shoulders. Yeah, you do just one more time. Don't look for it, just raise the arm. Very good. Very good.
No, I don't feel so much actually. I think because maybe the problem has been so long, maybe it takes maybe a little more time.
Yeah, but do you have
Yeah,
any?
but now I feel much better.
Very good.
Maybe one or less.
Perfect. Give me 5.
This
This
is
one.
big.